The next example related to further cases of particular integral what we have discussed, that is case number 2, in which in the RHS you have sin kn or cos kn. Case number 3 where RHS is a polynomial in the form n to the power p, and third case where RHS is a to the power n into f of n. It always appears in the product form where one of the term will be a to the power n and other term will be the of polynomial of degree p in variable n. So in this example, instead of instead of n, many a times it is given to you as x, and we have seen this prior also, that yes, sometimes if it is n it is fine, if it is replaced by x still it acts as the same variable, right? So here the question is yx plus 2 minus yx plus 1 minus 12yx is equal to cos 2x. Now I can compare it with cos kn, right? Whatever is the angle, instead of n it is x and value of k is 2. So accordingly I will have to simplify it and get the answer. So the given equation can be written in the symbolic form, that is operator form. Yn plus r is always equal to e to the power r into yn, right? So accordingly here it will be e square minus e minus 12 multiplied by yx is equal to cos 2x. On the LHS you equate phi of e to 0, you get the roots as minus 3 and 4. The roots are real and unequal, and therefore CF will be written as C1 into minus 3 to the power x plus C2 into 4 to the power x. In place of n it is x, still it is permissible because you can have the difference equation in any of the notation because it is just the symbolic form, right? So difference equation can be it can be understood that it is expressed in the different symbol or the notation. For pi, it is 1 upon phi of e to be operated on RHS of the given difference equation. RHS of the given difference equation is cos 2x. I can compare it with cos kn. So what is the simplification for cos kn? Simplification for cos kn is e to the power I kn minus plus e to the power minus I kn upon 2. So 2x के साथ I जुड़ जाएगा. Separate them. 1 by 2 can be taken common. 1 upon e square minus e minus 12 multiplied by e to the power I 2x plus 1 upon e square minus e minus 12 multiplied by e to the power minus I 2x. Right? Now this can be written as e to the power 2i whole to the power x, right? So I can compare it with a to the power n or a to the power x. So what does the value for a becomes? E to the power 2i raised to power x. So every e will be replaced by e to the power 2i. Here every e will be replaced by e to the power minus 2i because e to the power minus 2i whole raised to x is written as e to the power minus 2i x, right? Though I have written it as minus I2x, it can be called as e to the power minus 2i. So everywhere I will have to replace e by e to the power 2i. This is with reference to case number 1. So e is replaced by e to the power 2i, e to the power 2i whole square minus e to the power 2i minus 12 operated on e to the power I2x plus 1 upon e to the power minus 2i whole square minus e to the power minus 2i minus 12 operated on e to the power minus I2x. So e to the power 2i whole square will be e to the power 4i. This bracket as it is. माइनस का स्क्वायर भी प्लस होता है, राइट? बट यहाँ पर स्क्वायर नहीं लेना है, इट इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टर्म. So e to the power minus 4i will remain. E to the power minus 2i into 2 will be minus 4i. Many a times people commit the mistake by taking the square as positive, but it is wrong. So it is e to the power minus 4i minus e to the power minus 2i minus 12. Then take LCM. These two brackets will be multiplied together in the denominator. So this bracket on the first term, this bracket on the other term. So cross multiply with each other, simplify. Simplification is bit tedious. Term by term multiplication is done. E to the power I2x into this. So what can be taken common? 2i can be taken common. ब्रैकेट में बचेगा x minus 2. Similarly इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, e to the power minus 2i कॉमन, ब्रैकेट में बचेगा x minus 2. यहाँ पर कांस्टेंट टर्म है. Collect these particular simplification in denominator also. Open the bracket. E to the power 4i into e to the power minus 4i e to the power 0, which is 1. Then e to the power 4i into e to the power minus 2i e to the power positive 2i, e to the power 4i into minus 12 e to the power 4i. Accordingly, term by term, every multiplication will be done. Collect the terms with positive term factor as well as negative factor, but common coefficient. See here it is 2i into x minus 2 minus 2i into x minus 2. cos में convert कर सकते हैं. e to the power 2i into x minus 1 e to the power minus 2i into x minus 1. Again it can be converted to cosine. So accordingly, collecting those terms, dividing by 2, this 2 is already there. You get the definition of cos. Accordingly simplify and get the answer. So pi will be equal to cos 2 into x minus 2 minus cos 2 into x minus 1 minus 12 cos x upon 146 plus 22 cos 2 minus 24 cos 4. That is how the simplification is done. So complete a general solution is yx is equal to cf plus pi. Yx is equal to cf plus pi, c1 into minus 3 to the power x plus c2 into 4 to the power x plus cos 2 into x minus 2 and so on. So this is how we try to simplify and get the answer. The next example related to the same is solve yn plus 2 minus 2 cos alpha yn plus 1 plus yn is equal to cos alpha n. Cos kn में k का value is alpha. On the left hand side, this particular term is little bit different. It cannot be factorized directly, so I have to use the formula method. So the given equation can be written in the symbolic form as e square minus 2 cos alpha e plus 1 into yn is equal to cos alpha n. The auxiliary equation becomes e square minus 2 cos alpha e plus 1 equal to 0. E is the variable. जैसे x square minus constant into x plus any other constant equal to 0 होता है, वैसे यहाँ पर e is nothing but the variable. So a, b and c. What is a here? A is 1, b is minus 2 cos alpha, right? And c is 1. So what is formula method? Formula method is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So I am getting the answer as cos alpha plus minus I sin alpha. ये देख लीजिएगा इसको सॉल्व करके. Minus b means minus of minus 2 cos alpha, it is 2 cos alpha. B square means 4 cos square alpha minus 4 AC means 4. 4 can be taken outside, it becomes 2. Cos square alpha minus 1 is minus sin square alpha. Under root of minus is imaginary number I multiplied by under root of sin square alpha is sin alpha. So it becomes cos alpha plus minus I sin alpha. The roots are the complementary function is written as r to the power n into c1 cos n theta plus c2 sin n theta. R is under root of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, which is 1, and tan inverse of sin alpha by cos alpha is tan. Tan inverse of tan is only alpha. So I am getting the answer as CF is equal to C1 cos n alpha plus C2 sin n alpha. Now in the RHS, we have cos alpha n. Case number 2 is applicable. So pi is equal to 1 upon phi of e operated on cos alpha n. And in cos alpha n, what is done? E to the power I alpha n plus e to the power minus I alpha n upon 2, 1 by 2 common. Individual term में substitution होगा. Here a is equal to e to the power I alpha. So every e will be replaced by e to the power I alpha. Here every e will be replaced by e to the power minus I alpha. In the similar problem, what we have done in the earlier case is expand it, multiply the two brackets, cross multiply. Whenever you have the common terms, coefficient in the exponential term but with the opposite sign, collect them together. यहाँ पर देखोगे e to the power I alpha into n minus 2, e to the power minus I alpha into n minus 2. So likewise, cos can be generated by definition by attaching this 2 in the denominator using the definition of that. So accordingly, simplification can be done. Cos alpha into n minus 2, cos alpha into cos alpha n minus 1 and so on. Denominator में bracket open करिएगा. Your answer is this: cos alpha into n minus 2 minus 2 cos alpha and so on. Complete general solution is given by yn is equal to c1 cos n alpha plus c2 sin n alpha plus so and so. This is how we try to simplify and get the final answer as yn is equal to cf plus pi. The similar kind of example but in the fraction, it is un plus 2 minus 16 un is equal to cos n by 2. So given equation is written as e square minus 16 into un is equal to cos n by 2. Roots are real and unequal. C1 into minus 4 to the power n plus C2 into 4 to the power n. It is 1 upon e square minus 16 operated on cos n by 2. Now how to write cos n by 2? E to the power I n by 2 plus e to the power minus I n by 2 upon 2. That is how we have to write. And every e will be replaced by e to the power I by 2, coefficient of n. E to the power I by 2 raised to power n. This is how it will be written as, right? So it will be e to the power I by 2. E to the power I by 2 का square करोगे तो 2 cancel, we are left with e to the power I. Minus as it is रहेगा, 2 cancel, e to the power minus I. So similarly here also we try to open the bracket by doing the cross multiplication, taking LCM in the denominator and simplify it. Your answer is un is equal to c1 minus 4 to the power n plus c2 4 to the power n into cos of n by 2 minus 1. See, whenever the initial question is given to you in the form of cosine or sine, we always try to bring the answer or the solution or simplification of the particular integral, that too in term of sine or cosine, because that becomes very convenient to reduce the terms, right? So accordingly we will be trying